Hello friends, today I am going to demonstrate you an experiment known as BCD2 7 segment decoder using IC7447. So this is the kit for the demonstration of BCD2 7 segment decoder using IC7447. So this circuit consists of IC7447, which is a 16-pin IC available in DIP package, and it is BCD to common anode 7-segment code converter IC. So it requires a plus 5 volt power supply. This is the thumb wheel switch. This is known as a BCD thumb wheel switch. It has 10 positions from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 9. So it is a rotary switch. So here is the marking of that number. It gives you a 4-bit BCD code ABCD. So this BCD code is applied to BCD inputs ABCD of this 7447 IC. This IC has 7 output lines. So the output pins are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. These are outputs in active low form. They are connected to the A, B, C, D, E, F, G inputs of this 7-segment display, which is a common anode 7-segment display number LT9543. So these outputs of this IC are connected to the A, B, C, D, E, F, G inputs of this 7-segment display through the current limiting resistances of 330 ohm each. So I will make the connection of this circuit and will demonstrate you how the circuit works. So let us connect the power supply to this circuit. So this plus 5 volt is connected to 16 pin. Then the same 5 volt power supply is given to the thumb wheel switch. Thumb wheel switch requires a plus 5 volt power supply. Ground terminal is connected internally to the ground of the circuit. So this negative terminal of the power supply is connected to the pin number 8 of the IC7447. Remember, this IC converts the BCD number applied between ABCD inputs into the corresponding 7-segment code. So here you can apply 4-bit BCD code at ABCD inputs. D is the MSB and A is the LSB. So this code runs from 0000 to 1001. The output of this thumb wheel switch is internally connected to the ABCD inputs of this IC. Output of this switch is also in the form of BCD number. It has 4 output terminals A, B, C, D. They are internally connected to these 4 inputs. Output A of this thumb wheel switch is connected to this input A. Output terminal B of this thumb wheel switch is connected to this B input of 7447. Output C is connected to this C input of this IC internally. And output number D of this switch is connected to input D of this IC. When you rotate the position of this switch, the position will change from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. Accordingly, BCD code will be generated by the thumb wheel switch and it is applied to this IC internally. And so this IC will convert that BCD code in the 7-segment code, and so 7-segment display will display that corresponding digit on the display. So the position of this switch will be displayed on the 7-segment display. See here, suppose I keep this switch at position number 0. So see here, you can see 0. Then what is the output code? Output code is 0000. You can verify this by measuring the voltage. See here, voltage is low, 0.14 means low voltage, again low voltage, low voltage, again low voltage. Low voltage means binary 0. So here 0000 code is coming when the switch is at position 0, and so this 0000 BCD code is converted into corresponding common anode 7-segment code, and so this 0 is displayed. Now I change the position of this switch to 1. Now see here, what will be the code coming out of this BCD thumb wheel switch? 0001. See here, this MSB is 0, then the low voltage means 0, this low voltage means 0, and E is 1 means how much voltage? See here, voltage is 4 point something, that is treated as high level, means binary 1. Voltage more than 2.8 in TTL is treated as high level. So 4.9798 volt means binary 1. So when the switch is at position 1, BCD code coming out is 0001. And so it gets converted into its corresponding 7-segment code, and so 1 is displayed. Only B and C segments are glown. So you see here the digit 1. Now I change the position of the switch to 2. So what is the code coming? The code coming is 0010. See here 0, 0, 1 and 0. So 0010 is the BCD code coming from the switch that is applied at these BCD inputs of this IC7447, and that gets converted into corresponding common anode 7 segment code for 2. So you get the display of digit 2 on. Now I change the position to 3. See here, when the switch is at position number 3, the code coming on these ABCD lines is 0011. So we can verify this by measuring the voltage. So we can measure the voltage 0, 0, 1, 1. Now if I change the position to 4, then what is the code coming? 0100. So BCD code 0100 is coming on these input lines. So it will get converted into corresponding common anode 7 segment code, and so the digit 4 will be displayed on 7 segment display. We can verify the code whether it is 0100 or not by measuring the voltages. See here 0, 1, 0, 0. Now I change the position to 5. So what code will come on ABCD inputs? 0101. So this code, after converting into corresponding 7 segment code, 5 digit will be displayed. See here 5 is displayed. We can measure the voltages. 0101 is the input. So 0, 1, 0, 1. See here. Now I change the position of this thumb wheel switch to 6. See here, if here is 6 digit, display on the 7 segment is also 6. What is the code coming on these input lines? 0110. We can measure the voltages. 0, 1, 1, 0. See here. So now I change the position of this switch to 7. So if the position is 7, BCD code coming is 0111. D is MSB, A is LSB. What is the BCD code coming on these 4 inputs? 0111. And so it gets converted by this IC into corresponding 7 segment code for decimal digit 7. And so 7 digit is displayed on this common anode 7 segment display. So you can verify the code by measuring the voltages at these 4 points one by one. See here 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now I change the position of this switch to position number 8. See here is the position 8. BCD code will be 1000. And so it gets converted into corresponding 7 segment code, and so digit 8 is displayed on the common anode 7 segment display. So we can verify the code as 1000. See here 1, 0, 0, 0. So when position of the switch is 8, code coming is 1000. Now I change the position to 9. So if the switch is at position 9, BCD code coming is 1001. So this code gets converted into corresponding common anode 7 segment code, and so the digit 9 is displayed. Now we confirm the code 1001 by measuring the voltages on these lines. See here 1, 0, 0, 1. Right? So in this way, switch has positions from 0 to 9. If I again change the position from 9 to 0, see here the code coming will be 0000. We can verify this code 0, 0, 0, 0. What is the digit displayed on the 7 segment display? 0. So when the position of the switch is at 0, then BCD code coming on these 4 input lines is 0000. So this 0000 BCD code gets converted into corresponding common anode 7 segment code at the output of this IC, and so digit displayed on the display is 0. So in this way the circuit works. This was the demonstration of IC7447, which works as a BCD to 7 segment code converter for common anode. So this was the demonstration. So thank you for watching the video.